short video, I'll show you how to quickly reuse an existing Payable Google form. There are two simple ways to do this depending on what you need. The fastest option is to just edit your current form and update it. Open your existing Payable form and update any details that have changed, like dates, pricing, event, or product info. Anytime you change copy on a Google form, it updates instantly. There's no need to save changes to it. Your public facing form will be updated automatically. Now, why would you choose this option? It's quick, simple, and keeps everything in one place. No need to reconnect or reconfigure anything in Payable. It maintains the existing spreadsheet your data and orders have been recorded to, so your order history over time is kept in one sheet. This is perfect if you're running a similar offering and don't need to keep past versions separate. If you're updating a Payable Google form, just click Add-ons, Puzzle Piece, Sync Theme. This will push any changes made to your Payable checkout page. It's important to note that this will impact any existing invoices from the form. Whatever updates made to your form's title, description, or header will show when an old invoice is generated. If you have a lot of events going on at the same time, for example, this is not the best option for you. If you want to keep your original form untouched, the alternate option is to make a copy. Here's how. Open the original Google form and click the three dots in the top right of the Google menu. Select Make a Copy. Rename your new form and update the details as needed. Then click on the Add-ons puzzle piece and make this form payable. Why choose this option? This gives you a clean slate while preserving your original data and structure. It's ideal for new events, pricing changes, or when you want to keep records from previous versions separate and organized. And that's it. Update your existing form for speed and simplicity, or duplicate it for a fresh start. Thanks for watching.